How to use effect on TikTok Live. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To use the effect on your TikTok Live, first and foremost, launch a TikTok application in your mobile device. Now over here, make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Now before you go live, make sure that there are certain criteria to go live on your TikTok. If you don't have 1,000 followers, you will not have the live option in your TikTok account. Similarly, if you are under 18, you will not have this TikTok live option. However, you are above 18 and you have followers more than 1,000, you will have this TikTok live feature. To begin with, tap on the plus sign icon at the bottom. From here, you need to scroll and click on the live section. At the top, you will see the button of Enhance. Over there, you can beautify your video on live as well. By tapping on Enhance or Effect, you'll be able to add effect in your live video. For some of you, instead of Enhance, there might be an Effect button. Just click on it and add an effect in your live video. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.